All right, we're going to do some data validation today. I've got a list of names with duplicates in there. And so the idea is we want to create a data validation list. So data, and we want the source to be this list, but with proper names and also sorted and unique. So removing the duplicates. So typically how I would handle this is I hope that the data is kind of on its own sheet. So here it's isolated. We have it on this name sheet. Uh, so one of the first things I would want to do is isolate this data. So maybe create a new sheet and we'll call this uniques, and then use like the unique function in Excel to give us the unique data. Now we are getting that 0 at the bottom because we haven't told Excel to limit the data set, so we can do that with the dot. And so now we have our unique list of names. Now what we want to do is we want them in proper case. So we can say proper of this. And I think I might even be able to do this. Let me see. Yeah. So use the hashtag to take advantage of the full range. And then we'd probably want to sort them. And we should be able to do the same thing. And again, I would probably keep this all isolated on its own sheet. So we'll come in here, call this our data validation sheet. And this is where we would create a data validation list. And the source would be column C. And it should be accommodative. So if more names are added, it should expand and contract on demand. So we can see we added Jane Doe and John Doe. That should also be represented in here. There we go.